Welcome back to Toy Time, your favorite toy channel on YouTube. Today we're gonna start a new countdown. We're gonna be unboxing the LOL Surprise Confetti Pop. Look at all the confetti we got here on our channel. Isn't this fun, guys? Okay, so if you want to see all the unboxing, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be unboxing one doll each video, and sometimes we might have 2 surprise videos. So hurry up and subscribe. Alright guys, do you guys already have the LOL Confetti Pop? Okay, we're going to unbox it today. And to celebrate this new video, look what I did. I did confetti nails for you guys. How do you like my nail polish? Doesn't it look amazing? Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox these dolls. So today is our first day of our countdown, and we have 10 LOL Surprise Confetti Pop to unbox. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 LOL surprises. We're gonna pick one of them to unbox and move all the other one to the side, so we have all this space in here to unbox our new doll. I wonder which one it's gonna be. Should we unbox this one or this one? Maybe this one, right? Okay, so here we go. We're gonna unbox this doll, and let's move all these guys to the side. Let's clean the confetti and also move all the other LOL confetti pop to the side. Now this is the doll that we're gonna unbox today. Let's spin it around and look how cool. These are the different outfits and what we can get inside this surprise. Now let's see, let's turn it around. Here is the front and here is the zipper. Let's unzip this surprise. I wonder which doll we're gonna get today. And this is our first LOL Confetti Series 3 doll that we have. So it doesn't matter which doll it is. I know we're gonna be happy because we don't have any of this new series. Here is the other zipper. Very cool. So let's unzip this side here of our surprise. Let's try to find out which club it will be. Is it going to be the swim club? Is it going to be the STEM club? We don't know. Very nice. I can see the surprise already. And let's see, we got one sticker here. Oh, it's a beauty sleep. I wonder if it's going to be the slumber party or the sleepover club. Here is the mysterious sticker. I don't know if she will cry or if she will tinkle or if she will change color. We'll find out. One more zipper, and here it is. Let's see. Oh, we have the tattoo ring. It's a little kitty cat. How adorable. Now let's open this band here. And let me show you guys. You start here. It shows us how to pop this confetti. You open, you close, spin, and repeat until you find the ribbon. And then you flip it over, pull, and pop. It's the confetti time. So let's try that. So first let me get this band from around our surprise. And here it is. Now one more sticker. Let's get this sticker out. Wow, the sticker is really stuck in here. Okay, so let's open this section here. And here is one surprise. I'll remove it and place it to the side because we're gonna open all the surprises later. First, let's see how the confetti works. Now you spin. You see, I closed it and now I spin one more time to the side. There are gonna be 4 surprises here. So let's just open each section and get the surprise pocket out. There it is, the little surprise package. Close it and spin again. Make sure you really close it. All right, another surprise package, and we see the ribbon. Here it is, guys. Okay, so wait, let me move this to the side here. Let's close it. And we have one more surprise package right here in this pocket. All right, so we got the 4 surprises. Now let's close. And let's get ready to do the confetti pop. So I have to pull the ribbon. Very cool. That was so much fun. Can't wait until I open the other confetti pop surprises so we can do the confetti all the time. Stay tuned here on our channel to watch all the 10 countdown. Okay, so here is the little pamphlet that has all the new dolls and their clubs. They're very cute. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna close up a little right there. Can you see there's the glam club, the retro club. Here on the other side, there's the theater club, opposites club, the glitterati. Very cool. So let's open our first package. I wonder if we're gonna be able to find out which club it's gonna be our doll if we still didn't find out. So she's a Sleeping Beauty, and she also has a sleeping mask. Can you guys guess which club she's from? Leave us a comment, let us know if you already know. So let's open another package right here. And let's see what's in here. Oh, found it, so little. It's the little slippers. Very cute with a pom-pom on the top. Let me show you guys. Very cute, right guys? So let's open another package. Let's see what's in here. I really hope it's the outfit because I can't wait to see the outfit. And it is, it's an outfit. Oh, it's like little pajamas. I think by now you guys know which club is our doll. All right, look how adorable. Very cute. And last but not least, we need the baby bottle. Here it is. I think it's gonna be the baby bottle because we're still missing that. There it is, very cute. So now we're gonna open the last package and it's right here. That's where our doll will be. And let's find out who it is. Let's see, let's see. Oh, how cute! That's Sleeping Bibi from the Sleepover Club. How adorable. I love her hair. Oh, she has like a braid crown. So let's put the sleeping mask on her. Very, very cute. And also the pajamas. We can also move the sleeping mask like a tiara. Look, right there. And the PJs. Oh, I love it. She looks so adorable. Now the shorts. And then we have to put the slippers on. And she'll be all ready to drink her baby bottle. Okay, so here's the pajamas. Okay, the bottom is a little difficult to put on the doll, but we managed. There it is. So now the shoes. 1, 2, both shoes. And let's get ready to give her a baby bottle and see if she will cry, if she will spit, if she will tinkle, or if she'll change color. Okay, so here is some bottle that we're giving to Sleeping Bibi. And now, if she doesn't do none of that, then maybe she'll change color. We'll find a container with cold water. So let's see. Look, guys, she cries. Oh no, Sleeping Bibi, why are you crying? Do you miss your mama? Did you forget your teddy bear at home? Okay, don't cry. Look, guys. All right, so now we found out that Sleeping Bibi cries. And I can't wait to find out what other dolls we'll get on the next video. So subscribe to our channel to watch all of the unboxing countdown that we're gonna be posting. So how do you guys like our Sleeping Bibi doll? How adorable, right? Okay, so we found out that she cries, but I really hope she doesn't cry anymore. So stay tuned to our channel. Today is the first of 10 unboxing that we will be doing for our LOL surprise. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, we're gonna be unboxing 10 LOL Confetti Pop. Okay, so if you guys liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and also leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of the unboxing today. So if you guys liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. Also share our video and give us a thumbs up. And leave us a comment. Let us know if you want to see more toy unboxing here on our channel. And also leave us a comment letting us know that you subscribed. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thank you for watching. Toy time. Please subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos from our channel, just stay tuned and select from one of the options on the screen. We selected a few videos from our channel. Just click on the video to watch more adventures from Toy Time.